So this is something that we encounter almost every day. This is a dryer vent on the roof. And by code, by building code and by fire code, there cannot be a screen installed on a dryer vent. And there it is. Okay, you see how that screen, it acts as a dam, and it doesn't allow the moisture to escape or the heat. And you can see the moisture that's coming out of their vent. Obviously this is not a good thing. So once we remove the screen, you can see how much, I mean, this is just wet lint that's built up. And now you can see the steam coming out of the dryer vent because there's so much moisture in there. So there you have it. And there's a building code specifically for Texas and Texas saying that there cannot be a screen installed on a roof-mounted dryer vent, and this is exactly why. Again, see all that moisture? You can see the steam coming out of the vent.